Graphite is one of the components used to manufacture the well-known LED. A graphite susceptor is used as a pedestal in the MOCVD manufacturing process for the production of sapphire substrates for LED. Graphite is suitable for the susceptor because it is required to transfer heat uniformly to the substrate and to be resistant to deformation even at high temperatures. Graphite is also used in ingots and epitaxial growth processes for manufacturing power semiconductors such as silicon carbide, which are expected to use high-voltage devices for saving energy. Since power semiconductor manufacturing parts are required to have heat resistance, uniform heat distribution, and high purity, graphite products coated with silicon carbide or tantalum carbide are used.